Hello friends, I am Ritesh and we at Time Jaipur have started this initiative called High Five with Time Jaipur, wherein we'll be bringing the hottest 5 updates of last week events to you. And let's get on with today's session. Let's get started. So as you can see, we'll look at the first update. So our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi addressed the nation last week and he announced the extension of Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana till November 2020. Now what is this scheme all about? Under the scheme, first of all you need to understand that this scheme is a part of Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, and under the scheme 5 kgs of rice or wheat and 1 kg of pulses will be provided to the poor. Around 80 crore people will get benefited out of the scheme and it will cost the exchequer around 90,000 crores. So big amount, big problem, right? Now let's move on to the next update. The government of India also announced to ban 59 Chinese mobile apps from your phone. Now some of these apps you might have been using like TikTok, Xender, Cam Scanner, ShareIt or WeChat. The government of India has banned these apps citing concerns over data protection and privacy. These have been banned under section 69A of the Information Technology Act. Okay, now let's move on to the third update. As you know, NASA is the space agency of United States of America. It has recently announced to name its headquarters located in Washington DC after Mary Winston Jackson. Now who is Mary Winston Jackson? She was recruited in NASA in 1951 and she was the first female black engineer to join NASA. As you might be knowing that right now a movement against racism is going on in America and rest of the world also, called Black Lives Matter, and this has been a significant declaration made by NASA wherein they are naming their headquarters after Mary Winston Jackson. You might be interested to know that there is also a movie called Hidden Figures being made on the life of Mary Winston Jackson. The movie came out in 2016 and it was a big hit. Now let's move on to our fourth update. So as you can see, we are talking about Hong Kong. So China has recently passed Hong Kong National Security Law. What is Hong Kong National Security Law? The law being passed by People's National Congress, the legislative body of Beijing, allows China to enforce security laws in Hong Kong. So it can basically investigate, persecute and punish suspected criminals in Hong Kong. Okay, China can do that. So a lot of human rights activists and journalists are concerned that China will use this law to shut down protests and crush political dissidents and activists in Hong Kong. So again, a very big important development in the international space. Let's move on to the last update for today. Okay, so we are talking about Intel now. All of you know about Intel, right? World's topmost semiconductor company and chip maker. So Intel, through its subsidiary called Intel Capital, has invested in Reliance Jio and has become the 12th company in last 3 months to invest in Jio platforms. Okay, so it has acquired 0.4% stake and shelled out a hopping 1894 crores for the same. So big money coming to Reliance even during tough times when a lot of companies are struggling. Reliance has made itself debt free with the help of selling some stake in Jio platforms. You can see the list of 12 companies here which have invested in Reliance Jio over the last 12 months. Okay, interesting, isn't it? Now is the quiz time. Okay, so enough of me answering a different set of events now, and I want you to answer a particular question of mine. So who has been appointed as the ambassador and permanent representative of India to the United Nations? If you know the answer, you need to type in your answer in the comment section below, and we'll be back with a new video next week. Till then, what you have to do, you have to like, share and comment on this particular video and keep following us. We'll be back with another interesting one next week. Okay, goodbye.